Wagwan! The full recipe is the on my cooking channel, Shireen Cooks.
Welcome to this video. I'm gonna show you how I make coconut.
It would be remiss of me not to include Jamaican food when talking about Jamaican culture. This is such an important part of our culture. Our food is rich, vibrant, and flavorful. We love to cook and yam with good food. Most Jamaican cook almost every day, and we usually cook with food from scratch. We love to share with food, and we love to welcome people with food. And in times of joy or sorrow, food brings us together. It warms our hearts, and it helps to keep us connected. And the tradition and recipes is passed on from generation to generation.